Scientists say the male Y chromosome is shrinking. So, does that mean men could disappear forever? The truth is far more fascinating than the headlines, and it might surprise you. A shrinking Y chromosome sounds like bad news, but the truth is far more surprising than most people realize. Science says men are not disappearing anytime soon, but the story behind the Y chromosome is still incredibly fascinating. To understand why, we need to go back hundreds of millions of years. Back then, the X and Y chromosomes were almost identical, each carrying roughly 1400 genes. Today, however, the Y chromosome contains only about 55 genes. So, what happened? The Y chromosome exists as a single copy in males, unlike most chromosomes that come in matching pairs. Because of this, it usually cannot exchange genetic material with a partner chromosome to reappear mutation, a process scientists call recombination. Over millions of years, this caused the Y chromosomes to gradually lose many genes. And that's where the scary headlines begin. Is the Y chromosome disappearing? Will men go extinct? The answer is far more complicated. Scientists are still divided on the long-term future of the Y chromosome. Some theories suggest it could disappear millions of years from now, while others believe it may never disappear at all. And now the question is why? Because the Y chromosome is not defenseless. Research published in PLOS Genetics shows that the Y chromosomes evolve protective DNA structures called palindromes, sequences that read similarly forward and backward. These structures act like an internal repair system, allowing damaged genes to copy information from matching sections and repair themselves. And there's more. Research from the Whitehead Institute suggests the Y chromosomes may have stabilized, meaning gene loss has largely slowed or stopped in its most important regions. But here's the most surprising part. Even if the Y chromosomes disappeared someday, males would not automatically vanish. Scientists study certain rodents, including the Japanese spiny rat and mole vole, discovered something remarkable. These animals completely lost their Y chromosomes, yet males still exist. And now the question is how? Their bodies evolved new male determining genes elsewhere in the genome. In other words, evolution found another solution. Humans could potentially adapt through a similar genetic shift over extremely long time scales. So, despite the dramatic headlines, science says men are not disappearing anytime soon. The Y chromosomes may be changing, but evolution is full of surprises, and life has adapted before. Did this surprise you? If you enjoy fascinating science facts like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching Fact Frenzy by Sweta. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.